deliberately overloaded with backpacks with bulky and heavy things. Stand here looking at a lovely view, I'll show you that near the end of the video. I've a brilliant view to see. But yeah, we'll bring you back shortly once we go into the trail that we're going on. Right, so that's us now on the track, or trail, path, whatever you want to call it. I'll just show you Elaine's, turn around Elaine, I'll show you Elaine's backpack. Oh, better turn the camera around first, wouldn't I? There you go. That's Elaine's backpack. As you can see, we've deliberately put the bulky stuff in. And I think Elaine's backpack weighs about, Elaine?
11 and a half.
No, 15, sorry. 15, we're both carrying 4 litres of water just to get the weight. And this is just part of our training for going on the West Highland Way. I'll give the camera to Elaine and she can show you mine. I think mine's is coming in at about 17 and a half, but I'm bigger anyway, so. Right, you just get the back in our backpack, Elaine. Get it?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see you doing. Yeah?
Goes quite well, that.
Yeah. So, we're going to do a wee day camp. We'll find a wee spot, get a wee day camp, and we'll put a shelter up. Elaine might practice doing a wee bit of feather stick making with her new bushcraft knives. Then we'll get knots, she said. Aye. She's want to learn a couple of knots, so I'll teach her some basic knots. Try to make knots, that's what I said. What else? We'll cook for lunch. Where is she? There she's there. Not very often she's behind me, she's normally miles in front of me. So, there she's off. Just carry it straight. Yeah, so, on this wee house, so we'll speak to you shortly once we get to wherever we're going. The colour of the trees are just lovely. A bit lumpy and bumpy this path, but I'll struggle on. There's Elaine away up there again. Nice. Looks like came a fair bit at the moment. Maybe 2 or 3 miles so far. A lot further to go yet. It's all training. Very windy. Right out in the open there. I don't know if you'll get me, but the wind is very strong here, so. There we go. Right, well, now done probably just over 4 miles, I reckon. I reckon about 4 from where we parked the car, just because it's not been a straight line, it's been running circles. I reckon it's about 4 miles. So, we could put our tarp up here, but because this is the path that I'm on just now, there's a lot of dog walkers and they're letting them come up and stealing my food for one. Apart from that peeing on the tarp, so we'll walk a wee bit more. The views back are going to be spectacular if we're back there last that long. Really good views on the way back, so I hope you'll watch it to the end and you'll see the views anyway. So we were going to have a wee camp in here, but it's just still a bit windy. I don't know if you can hear the wind on the microphone. We're going to look at this tree here and this tree just to put our shelter up, but still just a bit tad too close to the path. You can see Elaine over there. Just we'll pause on a wee bit more and we'll speak to you soon. Try to stand out the wind here so we can. There we go. I think we've just about found our camp spot just behind the middle of these trees here, so we'll get our tarp set up and get something to eat. Right, well, better turn that round. There we go. The wind has now changed direction. So we thought our plans and we found a different site where other than the one we're going to go to. There's Elaine just there, there. Oops. I'm packing her rucksack at the moment. I'll show you where we're going to put the tarp up. So this tree here and that tree there, and I'm hoping to get a wee gable end on that end there. That way it should give us full protection for the elements. But time will tell. I'll get this set up, get my bag empty, get the stuff organised, and it's all in there. So anyway, I'll bring you back shortly. Right, finally we've finished making my wee shelter. Absolute nightmare with this wind. It's again turned around, so we had to get another wee tarp out to give us a wee windbreaker. I'll turn it around and you'll be able to see, and I'll take you a walk round the outside and round the back end. There you go, there's the line sitting inside it, quite comfortable, it's out the window. This is the second tarp we had to put up just because the wind's again changed direction. That's been 3 times now, Elaine. It's changed direction, so we just gave up. We'll just go with what we've got. Yeah, and also right at the very top of the hills. I'll take you right round. Obviously there's a gap there because it's got a tarp joins the other one. I'll take you round. Camel tarp there. We've just pegged it into the eyelets at the bottom there. As you can see, you see probably better side on. See how much the wind is blowing that in there. We've only brought one set of pegs with us. Sorry, not pegs, trekking poles. So that's why we've got the height in the front here. We're just stuck under this. The ridge line's made out of the paracord. The notice I've done on the guy lines here is the roof of that. It's a trucker's hitch that I've just put on it. We'll just go to the way in the kitchen area. In the kitchen area. So just go down here again. I don't know if you'll actually hear me with the wind. The wind is horrendous here. We could have picked a worse spot to put our first shelter up. As you can see, there's absolutely nothing round about us. That's quite a steep banking down there. Yes, we were going to do a wee bit of try a wee bit of bush carping, some feather sticks and that. With this wind, I'm not going to bother. I don't know if you'll actually hear my voice through this wind. But I'll put the video on, at least you'll be able to see the pictures if you don't hear any commentary. Right, so Elaine's just put the kettle on. As you can see, we've got the bigger kettle and the heavier gas stove. We've also got the firebox, but no chance of lighting that today with this wind. So have a cuppa and then we'll get our lunch. What are you having for your lunch, Elaine?
For my lunch, but I'm having porridge.
You're having porridge?
I've got porridge and I've got
right.
soup as well in there.
What are you going to have?
Porridge.
Elaine will have porridge and I'll have, what will I have? I think I'll go with a couple of rolls and sausages. I've got a couple of tins in my rucksack as well. Also, we've just brought everything bulky and heavy as we could. Again, as I say, it's just for training. I think we'll maybe walk about 4.5–5 miles for the car, and obviously get that distance to get back. But when we're finished here, we're just going to we've got 4 litres of water, so we'll not be taking any of that back. So that will reduce the weight a bit, and also the food side of it as well. You can probably see the kindling that we brought as well, just under the Elaine's left elbow there. But, yeah, so we'll get this sorted and then speak to you in a wee bit. There's Elaine sitting there.
Blowing my nose.
Blowing her nose.
There's a wee dog.
In the kettle. She's nearly boiling.
It's freezing.
It's freezing cold. You can probably see the tarp blowing a bit behind Elaine there.
I'm waiting my coffee.
So, what do you think, Elaine?
It's good, but it's hard to hear.
Hard to hear.
Can
I'll
you
bring you a
hear
bit closer.
Oh.
Is that better?
That's better. Oh, God. No, it's wild. Absolutely wild. The
Could've-
shelter's good.
We could have picked up a steak, couldn't we?
Fine. I know if we can do it in this weather. Oh, oh,
Alright.
so cold.
Right,
Get a wee cup in, that'll be us.
right. Okay, cup of that for lunch and then I'll be
Cup of lunch and then walking. Oh.
back hike. Okay. Here's Elaine buttering away there, my rolls.
Just enough.
And my sausages cooking away there.
Yeah, just enough butter.
Just looking there. Elaine's coffee. Right down the side of it. Oh, where is it going? That's 11 away. Two rolls and sausage cooked to perfection. Now Elaine's cooking her porridge. There we go. The story with that wee gas cooker and the kettle, I bought them when I used to do the long distance trucking. I'm home every night now, so we're just lying there. So just thought we'd use them anyway. So, bit of useless information for anybody that's listening. Right, we'll see in a wee bit. Right, so that's me had my lunch and had my coffee. Elaine's still eating, I won't video her just now. I'm just finished because I'm a greedy git. You know what to do, stand there, that dirty bitch. I'll give you one last wee look around camp before we start packing up. We get, I'm going to show you the views on the way home. Spectacular, spectacular. A lot of people guess where we are straight away when they see the views, but I'll show you the camp first. So, that's what we're outlook. The only thing that's passed by has been a couple of dog walkers. They've admired our shelter even in this wind. They wondered how we managed to get it up. I'm impressed with my wee notes. It's been years for I've done them. They're nice and tidy. Yeah, so back here again. Don't want to see you again. Well, that was the wee side shelter there with Elaine sitting underneath. Only because the wind's changed direction that many times today. The position we've got this shelter here, if the wind had stayed, this would have been a way up. We'd had so much headroom, it would have been really good. But there's our stuff just lying on the ground there, but obviously we're going to get it packed into the bags there. Just let the cooker cool down. Yeah, so I'll show you what it's like when we've packed everything up. Yeah, so we've just started to pack up now, just got the tarps to take down. I've just had a wee eye underneath this. I think Elaine, I don't know if you can hear that helicopter, Elaine's away while listening to the helicopter. See where that's going to. I think it's been a success. Just a bit of a bummer with this, the wind. Elaine googled it to see how strong the wind was. And apparently it was 35 to 40 mile an hour gusts today, so I think we'll be stuck with the majority of that. Really quite strong. Yeah, so I'll get back once we've got everything tidied up. Right folks, my batteries ran out. I'm now using Elaine's phone here. So this will just be marked down as part 2. It'll only be for a minute or so anyway. But that's just one of the views we've got heading back to our car. So we'll see you shortly. Here's just another wee view. I think maybe we'll get a mile and a half, 2 miles back to the car. And if you see, where are we now? Just over here and just in there, that's Glasgow Airport. So with that clue there, I'm sure lots of folk will guess where we are, but I'm not going to say the name of it anyway. So I'll get you a better view anyway once we're nearer the car.
Bloody take-
Sorry about this, that's now the second time I've pressed the wrong button. So this will be the last part, the summary. So as you've seen there, the car's packed up. As is, we were going to have a couple just get down the road, but we decided to go home. We're only about 15 minutes away from here. I did promise you the view to probably hear the wind now, it's absolutely blowing a hoolie. Yeah, please. I know you've got to commentate on this, but I'll just pan it through. Some of the views that we had earlier on were actually better, but let's in the car park now, so we'll get down the road. If you've liked what we've done, please give us a wee like and a wee subscription. Even if you leave us a comment about how we could have done things differently if you're an experienced person to help us out. So on that note, we'll say thanks for watching and we'll end this just now. Remember, hit the like, the wee sub. Thanks very much. Bye bye.